Avoid the trap. Correct usage of bad versus badly. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel, your hub for mastering the English language. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that stumps even the most experienced English learners: the difference between bad and badly. Let's dive into it. To avoid errors, it's crucial to understand that bad is an adjective and badly is an adverb. Bad is used to modify nouns and pronouns. For example, she felt bad about forgetting her friend's birthday. On the other hand, badly modifies verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. For example, he plays the piano badly. Many English learners, and even some native speakers, get confused when using bad and badly. One common error is using badly after feel or look verbs. Remember, feel and look are linking verbs, so they should be followed by adjectives, not adverbs. Therefore, you would say, I feel bad, not, I feel badly. Here are some tips to help you. 1. Always remember the function of the word you're using. Bad modifies nouns and pronouns, while badly modifies verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. 2. Be cautious with sensory verbs such as feel, smell, look, sound, and taste. They are often followed by adjectives, not adverbs. So, it's the food tastes bad, not the food tastes badly. 3. Practice, practice, practice. Make sentences using bad and badly, and try to use them in your daily conversations. And that's it for today, folks. Remember, even native English speakers sometimes stumble over bad and badly. So don't feel bad if you find it challenging. Keep practicing, and soon, it'll be second nature. Until next time, happy learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more English grammar insights.